Aisen the Great is my young brother. I'm
You're my mother.
I'm not your mother. Wait, nagbablog ako. So, may question dito. Ang sabi, what is your relationship to Aisen the Great? Okay, I answer your question. Aisen the Great is my young brother. I'm
You're my mother.
I'm not your mother. Wait, nagbablog ako.
Guys,
I am 17 years old.
No.
Just answer your question. Again.
I already know that you are my mother.
No, they not. Hindi ko na to i-upload. Hindi ko na to i-upload. Ulitin ko nga. Huwag ka malang magulo ha. Guys, ulitin ko lang. Okay, now. Ulitin ko nga. Repeat na lang. Papaluin kita ha. Repeat. Hi guys, I answer your question. What is your relationship to Aisen the Great? So, Aisen the Great is my young brother.
No way.
I am 17 years old.
Not 17 years old.
And Aisen the Great is 9 years old.
I'm 9 years old, but he's not 17. He's almost 40. He's almost 40.
He is lying, guys. He is lying. Aisen the Great is a such liar because look at me, guys. I'm very young, right?
No, you look old. No, you look old.
I'm young. Look at my face. I'm young.
No, you're old.
I'm not old. I am 17 years old.
Bro, try to English, but his English accent is so bad.